Content creator is one of the professions that requires creative and unique thinking. Some successful content creators usually start from small content creators with very limited skills, and they start to pick up their skills along the way. These content creators usually have notes and pen or laptop or tablet whenever they go, as they usually get inspired from anything and anytime. Thus, having a practical devices such as laptop or tablet with the latest technology will help a lot in making out content. Seeing this opportunity, ASUS created the ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED, an ultimate laptop that has a dual screen system. That way, content creators will be more productive in creating interesting content. ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED is also equipped with the latest specifications and features. ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED has the best design, with ErgoLift Hinge features and the AAS Plus cooling system adopted from the ROG gaming laptop line. Both make ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED able to perform with better, more optimal and more comfortable performance. In addition, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED uses a combination of body made of magnesium aluminum alloy and elegant celestial blue color wrap. The back of the screen is still equipped with ZenBook's signature spun metal finish design, which gives a luxurious and exclusive impression. Not only that, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED also appears more compact and lighter than its predecessor, with a weight of 100 grams lighter and 2.5 mm thinner. The Screen Pad Plus, which is the second screen, is still the prima donna feature on ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED. Unlike its predecessor, ZenBook Pro Duo 15 OLED now uses the active Aerodynamic System Plus feature, which allows the Screen Pad Plus to lift up and form a 9.5-degree angle.